All right, guys, welcome back. Today I am in Swickley. I got 2 interior details to do over near town area, right off of Beaver Street. And then I have 1 maintenance detail to do over in Swickley Hills. So it's raining right now. I'm gonna set my canopy up. I'm going to use that for the first time this year, actually. But I'm gonna set it up, debrief with my client, and then, of course, show you guys a little bit of the detail process. Canopy is not going to work in the way I intended it to, so I gotta improvise, figure it out, and adapt, which won't be too hard, but it'll be not fun, not enjoyable. What I'm going to do actually is let these mats sit in the rain and let them wash off themselves, so it saves me a couple, 25 minutes or so cleaning them. Guys, it is so fun to detail in the rain. That was sarcasm, by the way. So now what I'm doing is spraying on everything, agitating it, and I'm going to use my steamer to come back and thoroughly clean all the areas after this dwells for a second, and then wipe up all the water, and then hurry up and close the door. This is definitely a work truck, guys. Used to haul material back and forth and working in, dirty areas. I have no clue if this rain's even going to stop today. Hope it does. Guys, I'm using cardboard box to shield me from the elements. It's actually working pretty good. Alright guys, check out this finished product. The rain actually stopped, but it was when I was done with the details, so I guess, I don't know, it's pretty funny, but what are you gonna do? Super nice, super clean. Alright guys, On my way now over to this camera, Swickley Hills. Gonna go do my maintenance detail now. Only did the Raptor. The Suburban was filled with a lot of items, and with the uncertainty of the weather, I don't want to begin another detail process of that caliber and not be able to fully, be comfortable with the results. Meaning the water droplets not going into the vehicle and being able to effectively clean everything and see everything rather than worrying about how much water's getting in the vehicle and, clean up processes and using my flashlight to see underneath the seat. So just playing it safe, keep the quality of work how I always have it, keep my standard the way it is. But yeah, let's get over to Swickley Hills. Oh, what's up?
Oh my gosh.
I saw it, I was like, yes. Oh yeah. Yeah, you, what's up? Yeah. Let me see, let me throw it. Let me throw it. Let me see it. Let me see. Let me see. Wipe up any residual water. Looks like it's gonna pour down rain right now again, so we shall see. Supposedly tonight we're getting snow. The problem with that is the ground is too warm for anything to freeze, right? But they're still gonna pound the roads with salt. It's gonna get on all of our vehicles and then getting all over cars. But that's why I still detail in the winter time to remove all that stuff for you guys and stay busy myself. So but it's just it's unnecessary because now we do have like real bad snowfalls. There's no salt because they use it all in early November. Guys, this is my no rinse solution. I'm using this in the winter time now when can't really use water. Like I can use water today, no problem there, but just especially with this rain coming up now, there's really no need for me to foam the vehicle down and wash it. The no rinse solution does just as good as the job. Great results, and I'm happy with it. My clients are happy with it. So, all right, guys, starting to rain on me, but looks pretty good. A couple of raindrops. It's supposed to snow tonight, like I said, so I'm not too worried about the outside, I guess. There's that. A little Prosecco and 2 candy bars or M&M's in a candy bar. Very, very nice. Gonna wipe that little spot off though, and then the front window right there gonna wipe off. But vehicle's all done, and I'm gonna pack up and get out of here. All right, guys. So I'm all done with this maintenance detail. Gonna go home now and just relax for the day. Today was a long day with the rain, and then having to redo almost everything with that truck because I had missed spots and the water came in and dried and whatever, right? Over here wasn't too bad, but the hose was giving me a little bit of a problem. I gotta wrap the hose up. Jeez, when I looked over there. But after I wrap the hose up, I'm gonna go home, relax for the day, go to the gym, do all that fun stuff, cook food for the week as I always do on my Sundays. But yeah, that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching, tuning in, like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next one.